Hi, I see that many of you are interested in how to turn off this annoying case sound on Bosch Induction Hob. So in this video I will show you how to do it. This tutorial will most likely work not only for this PUJ series, but also for the PUE and other Bosch hobs. The first task is to turn off the hob, then switch on the hob. Touch and hold the case symbol for around 4 seconds. After that, product information will appear. Press the case symbol again and you will be inside basic settings. Here you have the possibility to change some of the parameters. Today we are interested in C2, which is signal tones. Select C2 by pressing the case symbol, then set this parameter to 0 with the plus or minus K. This means that the confirmation and false signals are switched off. To save your choice, hold down the case symbol until the hob turns off. I have to say that there will still the power on sound, but at least the other beeping sounds are no longer. I hope this will help you hide the fact that you are cooking at night.